On December 20th, 2025, officers were dispatched after reports of a vehicle driving erratically and nearly hitting other motorists. Officers located a matching vehicle parked at a McDonald's.
Do you want me to send an ambulance to it?
I'll stand by. Elsa, please! Roll down your window. Ma'am. 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 Wake up. Wake up. It's the police. Wake up. Wake up. It's the police. Wake up.
Yeah.
Nope, open your eyes. Wake up. Wake up.
Cars in park though?
Yes.
Okay.
Wake up. Ma'am, lean back for us. Lean back.
Can I have you step out of the car, please?
Right. Okay.
Okay. I just want to make sure you're okay. Can you step out?
Well, why did we get it to this point?
Why are you passed out in your car?
I was trying to get home.
How'd you end up here?
That's a good question.
Why are you passed out?
Because I got home sooner than I thought I would.
Because you got home sooner than you thought you would?
No, I wasn't on the road.
That doesn't matter. You're still passed out in your car. I'm just wondering why. Can you do me a favor and turn your car off? Is it off already?
Yeah, it's electric. It's already been off.
Electric? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have your ID on you, ma'am?
I don't need to provide that for you.
You do, yes.
Why?
You do.
Why?
Because now you're under suspicion of operating a motor vehicle under the influence.
This is the first major legal turning point. Once the officer states she is under suspicion of operating a motor vehicle under the influence, this stops being a casual welfare check and becomes a lawful detention. At that moment, the officer is legally entitled to request identification, investigate impairment, and control the scene. Many people believe that if the car is parked, DUI laws don't apply. That's false. If police can establish recent operation or actual physical control of the vehicle, the investigation is valid. The slurred speech, confusion, and inability to explain how she arrived there are stacking bricks toward probable cause. Question for you watching. At this point, would you comply or push back?
Of alcohol.
But I'm
So
not-
you are detained.
Absolutely not.
Yes, you are.
No.
ID, please. Otherwise, I will take you to the jail for obstruction. Thank you,
My
ma'am.
driver's license.
Appreciate it. So how much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Right, so remember what I said about us lying to each other? There's no point in
I'm
doing
not
that.
doing this. After you have done this, so I'm going to close my doors.
No, you're not.
You have my... I'm going
So here's what's
to
going
give you
on.
everything.
You were passed out at the wheel, which is not normal, right? You
Where?
are slurring your words. You're not making much sense at all. You don't remember where you were at. You're not telling me where you were at. So how much have you had to drink? 1, 2...
No.
2's not a lot. 1's not a lot. I'm just wondering.
No, but this is why, and now you have my ID. So, go ahead, do what you gotta do.
Okay. You don't want to answer how much you've had to drink tonight? Have you had anything to drink tonight?
What happened to your burger? Like, why is it all over the place?
It's a good question. Because I assume that's when you guys came.
Oh no, the burger was already there by the time I got here.
Yeah, and then it just,
Okay. From
we're
the,
on this other side.
okay. Have you what? This is a newer car, right? What's up with the damage up front?
What damage?
You got damage on this side over here.
No, I don't.
Here's where things begin to spiral. Refusing to exit the vehicle after a lawful order doesn't pause the investigation. It escalates it. The officer cites case law allowing police to remove a driver during a traffic investigation for safety and control. Whether she believes she did nothing wrong doesn't override that authority. What's important here is tone and consistency. The officer repeatedly offers her opportunities to explain her behavior, and she repeatedly shuts that door. Silence is a right, but selective arguments mixed with refusals can come across as non-cooperation. Do you think invoking legal language here helps her, or hurts her credibility?
It's green paint right there. I don't know if you hit something, like somewhere else. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So, Courtney, you haven't had an accident with this car at all, or hit anything?
No, absolutely not.
Okay. Like I said, I'm just saying there's green paint.
Can you open the door for me? Thank you. Would you mind stepping out of the car for me?
No, I don't need to. I don't need to.
You do.
No, I don't.
Yes.
Absolutely not.
Yep.
There's no reason for me to step out the car.
There is, because I'm telling you to.
No, yeah, you can be telling me to, but I'm not required to.
You are. You familiar with Pennsylvania versus Mins state law? That means you have to get out of the car upon request.
No, I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
You are under suspicion for driving under the influence of alcohol.
Absolutely not, and I have no.
Then help me out a little bit. Is there any way you can explain your behavior? Driving behavior that we have a credible witness to attest to. You passed out at the wheel. You slurring your words, not able to give me a concise story about the timeline of events from tonight.
Okay.
Any reason for that? I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to help you.
Yeah, that's fine. I will call my attorney. Thank you very much.
So is there any reason for that you can explain?
No, because it's bullshit, and I will not be saying anything.
This is your chance to explain. That's all I'm saying.
There's nothing to explain because I did nothing wrong.
So there's no other way to explain your behavior? Is that what you're saying?
Come on.
I'm trying to help. You gotta help me out. I'm trying to help you out. You're not giving me much.
Honestly,
you are definitely not safe to operate a vehicle.
Of course, and I'm not moving. I'm gonna call somebody.
Right. But
right now,
here's the thing.
I will not be moving. I'm gonna turn the car off. I'm gonna call my dad.
Do you agree that you're not safe to operate a car?
No, I'm not saying anything that is agreeing with you. Okay.
Do you?
That I know.
Do you want? Can I run you through a few things to make sure you get home okay?
I don't give a what you do.
You say yes or no. If you do, then I'm gonna have you step out really quick. They don't take long.
I don't need anything from you. Okay.
I want to run you through a few things just so I can get you home. Because I'm freezing. I'm sure you're freezing, so we can get us both out of here quickly.
I don't care.
Okay, then go ahead and step out.
Nope. I will not step out the car.
Or 95, no. Okay, so 95? Okay. And then just heads up.
This moment seals the foundation of the arrest. A credible eyewitness reports erratic driving, running a red light, jumping a median, nearly causing a collision. That's not speculation. That's third-party corroboration. Combined with the officer's own observations, unconsciousness at the wheel, delayed responses, inconsistent statements, probable cause is no longer borderline. Solid. At this stage, field sobriety tests are optional for the suspect but not required for arrest. Many viewers assume refusing tests guarantees freedom later. In reality, it often removes the last chance to counter the officer's narrative. Would you have taken the tests here?
It has like tire rash. I don't know which side it was, but on this side and then sometimes over there.
What's going on?
Go ahead, step out. I'm gonna run you through things before you head home.
No.
Okay, then step out.
No. Can I make a call first?
No. We're not doing phone calls right now.
Why?
Do you want to
Am
speak
I
to
under arrest?
Now you are, yes.
Why?
For driving under the influence.
Why?
Based on my observation. So come on, step out.
That does not make any sense.
It does. Go ahead, step out for me.
No, it does
Go ahead, step out.
No, it does not.
Go ahead, step out.
No, I don't need to.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't, because I'm... Explain to me how. Explain to me
I
how.
did. And I asked you to explain if there's any other reason for the things I observed, but you didn't tell me, so...
You're giving me nothing, okay? I would be cooperative, but you're not giving me anything.
I did explain to you multiple times.
didn't.
Do you want me to explain again?
No, you've given me nothing.
Do you want me to explain again?
You've given me
Do
nothing.
you want me to explain again?
I'm here.
So the reason why we're here is we got a call from a witness who saw you, this vehicle, and you driving erratically down Pulaski. You ran a red light, you jumped over the median, you were swerving, you almost hit his car. That's abnormal behavior, right? We saw your car parked here.
I'm an eyewitness. Okay.
Yep, credible witness. I met him myself. We saw your car parked over here. I wanted to come check on you to make sure you're okay, because that's not normal behavior.
And my car was parked?
Here, yeah.
Parked
ma'am.
A parked car.
So-
Okay.
You agree that most people don't know how to park, right? Is there any reason you
but
don't know how to park?
No,
Most
but
people
I'm
don't park like that.
within the lines.
I mean, not really within the.
I'm basically in the lines.
You know what I mean?
So-
Fine.
So I came over, I want to check on you to make sure you're good. You're passed out at the wheel. Again, very abnormal behavior. Knocked on the door.
When a supervisor arrives, this is typically the final opportunity to de-escalate. Instead, the situation tightens. The sergeant makes something very clear. Once you're under arrest, compliance is no longer optional. Continued refusal becomes obstruction, a separate charge that carries its own penalties. Notice how operational realities are explained: limited officers, active calls, public safety concerns. Courts often view these explanations favorably. At this point, the law isn't debating guilt or innocence. It's enforcing control of the scene. Question for viewers: was this about rights anymore, or about refusing to accept reality?
A million times we were knocking. I had to do a sternum rub to make sure you weren't unconscious. Finally woke you up. You were
How
good.
did you get inside the car?
Your windows are open.
The windows are open.
Can you explain that?
That's absolutely wrong.
Okay, so the windows were not open apparently.
And I was concerned for your safety. That was my number one priority at the time. I wanted to make sure you were okay. I couldn't tell from where I was standing.
Did I hurt anybody?
No, thank God.
Is everybody
But you
okay?
could have.
Am I sitting exactly in
So
a
do you
spot?
agree you're in a car right now? In the driver's seat?
No, I'm not. I'm not saying
Okay. Okay.
So go ahead, step out.
No, I will not step out of
Do you want to talk to my boss?
I'm not. I don't need to step out of vehicle.
You do. Because I'm not standing here all night.
You want to call
Am I
724 if we're in 95, and then so you can get
So
distracted.
you can choose that.
Okay, cool.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, that's why I asked you to exit the car.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Yep.
On what?
I already explained it.
Watch the behavioral shift the moment the cuffs come out. The resistance fades. The tone softens. Cooperation suddenly appears, but it's too late. This is something judges see constantly. Compliance after arrest doesn't erase resistance before arrest. Everything captured on Bodycam up to this moment is evidence. The profanity, the insults, the contradictions, all of it follows her into court. Ironically, the officers remain professional and procedural, which strengthens their credibility even further. This is the moment viewers should remember. How you act before handcuffs matters more than how you act after.
I think twice already?
Nope.
Yeah.
No.
2-3 times. And you said you don't want to let me run you through some field sobriety tests?
I don't know. Because I don't need to. Okay?
Okay.
I don't need to do that.
Okay. She's 55. She's an exit.
Oh, okay.
I explained things to her a million times.
Hi, Sergeant Gonzalez, Austin Police Department. How you doing?
Supervisor.
Yes, I'm the supervisor.
How can I help you?
So, you need to exit your vehicle. That's what my
No, I
officer's
don't.
telling me.
No, I don't.
Well,
Why?
you
Why
do.
No, I don't.
In the end, this case concludes with 2 charges: DUI and obstruction, both built step by step through documented observations, witness testimony, and repeated refusals to comply with lawful orders. The judge's focus in cases like this isn't emotion or intent, but reasonableness. Were the officers justified at each stage, and did the suspect escalate the encounter through her own choices? This incident is a powerful reminder that knowing your rights also means knowing when to exercise them wisely. Backhand index pointing right if you found this case as shocking as we did. Hit that like button, drop your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
You told her she's already under arrest. So you're under arrest right now?
Under arrest.
Yeah, so you don't get to decide that, ma'am. So basically at this point you're obstructing our performance. It's going to be another charge. So if the smart thing to do would honestly be just to exit the vehicle, or else you're going to get another charge. Because you're
Telling me
obstructing our
the smart
performance.
thing to do
Yes.
is to get out of my
Oh boy,
vehicle.
yes. Obey a lawful order, yes. It is a lawful order.
Why am I under arrest? Please
I
tell me.
believe for driving under the influence.
Why?
So,
Please tell me why.
I don't know. I didn't conduct the investigation.
Nope.
So-
You cannot give me a reason.
I explained to you 3 times.
No, my officer.
3 times at least.
That doesn't matter.
Is there
That doesn't
anything
matter.
I can do or say to you that will get you to comply before we use force?
Can we do this, can we drive back to my place, at least bring my car
No, absolutely not.
back to my house?
We can't let a drunk driver drive on the road.
Okay. So can
And I'm not
somebody else
being a
drive my
jerk. I'm
car?
just being honest with you.
I get you. So can somebody else drive my car back to my place and then take me from there?
No, man.
No?
That's not a resource that I could afford right now. I'm down to bare minimums, and all my officers are on calls, including this one.
Yeah.
So the
this
more
is
you
some
hold us up,
bullshit.
the more you hold us up,
Correct.
all right, the
This
more that
is
if
bullshit.
an emergency comes out, I have less officers. So you will be getting out of the vehicle either way, okay?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think so.
I think it might be
Good.
Take him off.
You're under arrest.
All right, man.
Get out of the vehicle. Don't
Come on.
resist.
No.
Come on.
Okay. Can I make one call, please?
So
Can I make?
you can make one call at the station.
Can I? No. Can I just please?
Not
call
right now.
back?
Now's not the time for that.
Am I get to bring her out?
Please
I got it.
let me.
You're
All right, man.
obstructing. You're under
Come on.
arrest. Get out
Let's
of the
go.
vehicle
We gotta get out.
Stop.
We gotta get out. We gotta get out.
You don't need to do
We gotta
that.
get out.
I'm getting out.
Okay,
I'm
let's go.
Getting out. I'm
Let's go.
getting out. You don't need to.
I'm holding.
Grab my
Let's go.
hand, like.
Let's go. We gotta get out.
You can make as many phone calls as you want at the station. I promise.
Sorry. Turn around.
Turn around for us.
I'm gonna take your phone. Just yep.
No.
Stand in front of here for me. Yeah. I know.
Just button my pants really quick.
Yeah. Are they buttoned?
Christ, no.
I was gonna pat you down, okay? Alright, go separate you a little bit. Do you have anything in your pocket?
Nothing.
I'll go back with wood if you want to do the tow.
Okay, I got you.
No, just policy. I just gotta pat you down. That's
What? That's fine. That's fine. You guys are just doing your job. Whatever.
Be sure to ask her if any valuables in the car, large amounts of money, any expensive electronics, etc., etc.
You were full of shit. Such bullshit.
Do you have anything of value in your car?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
No money. No money
Can
laying
you
around.
close the car?
Yeah, we got it.
We'll close the car and everything.
Can you make it?
And we'll grab your
Please.
phone. We'll grab your
Can you
purse.
please call my father?
He's gonna bring your phone. You can call him yourself if you want. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The woman was charged with obstruction and DUI.